Imagine what your world would be like if you lost your vision. It's a scary thought, but a reality for thousands of people in Southeast Louisiana. Lighthouse Louisiana works to brighten the world for people with vision loss, but we can't do it alone. We need your support. Your donation today will help the lives of your friends, family, and neighbors who are struggling with vision loss.
The Lighthouse has really changed my life since I have my magnifying machine.
Your donation supports programs for blind children, adults, and their families.
When I came over to the Lighthouse, they taught me how to use the cane, and now I can go places with my son.
We need your support. You can make a difference in someone's life by making a donation today.
Shine your light.
Shine your light.
Shine your light, Louisiana.
Shine your light by making a $10 donation. Text LIGHT to 80077 or log on to lighthouselouisiana.org/light. Your donation could change someone's life today.